Sick of your car sounding boring? Wish you had that awesome turbocharged whoosh? Then check out the Turbo Whistle. This simple device easily attaches to your exhaust, transforming your ride's sound with a realistic turbo spool and whistle. Forget the expensive hassle of custom tuning, fabrication, and intercoolers. Just screw on the Turbo Whistle and unleash the satisfying stu-tu-tu sound you crave. It's a quick, easy, and affordable way to add some serious attitude to your car's personality. But hurry! This limited time offer on the Turbo Whistle is only available for a short period, so head over to the Shift Knobs TikTok shop now and grab yours before they're gone. Upgrade your ride sound today.